Okay guys, this is a bodysuit in the making. This is the front part of it. This is the back part of it, and this is this pretty sparkly bling bling panel that I have here, and these is the ripped effect. So the next thing that I'm going to do, I know it looks very weird now guys, that's the front, that's the back. Now I'm going to put a bunch of rubber bands on it, and it's going to be tie-dye, and then when this come out of the washing machine, it's going to be all kind of, you know, like a lot of ripped effect. This is going to have the ripped effect, and then when it's done, a lot of these pieces is going to go onto the outfit. Remember those sparkly boots? And it's going to have sleeves, and it's going to be different. We're going to see how this turns out. But I kind of got inspired by Angel Brink's, like her bodysuits. It's going to be a denim long sleeve bodysuit. Her stuff be kind of like over the top. So I was trying to do something like, if you see it got ruffles going around here, and then even at the sleeves, I'm going to have ruffles, but it's not going to be this ugly blue. It's going to be a different color blue. So now I'm going to start putting the rubber bands on, soaking it in bleach. The next time you guys see it, it'll be different. All right.